बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Students, I hope you all are fine and welcome to another lesson from Iqra Phonic Reader 2. Students, as you know, we are revising the multi-letter phonograms from IPR 2 and we are focusing on a reading also. Okay, and side by side we are practicing the sound numbers also. So it's our revision time. Let's start revision of the previous learned phonograms. Then we will start our today's lesson. Sh as in fish, E as in tree, Z, ao, o, u, a, u, ch, k, sh, R as in car, A as in day, A as in paint, Oi as in boy, Oi as in oil, as in her, as in first, as in nurse. So students, these are the phonograms that we have done in detail from IPR 2. I hope आप डेली बेसिस पे साउंड्स रिवाइज कर रहे होंगे और अगर आप लोग डेली साउंड्स रिवाइज करते हैं तो आपको साउंड नंबर से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन भी पेपर में अच्छे से सॉल्व हो जाएगा और आपकी रीडिंग भी साइड बाय साइड बहुत अच्छी रहेगी. ओके, नाउ वी आर मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स और टुडेज फोनोग्राम and let me show you what is our today's phonogram. You can see today's phonogram in my hand. It's a today's phonogram that we are going to learn in detail from IPR 2. So can you tell me how many sounds does this phonogram have? Very good, it has one sound. How many sounds? One sound. What is the sound? Were as in warm, were as in work, were as in warm. Okay students, so let's have a look for some of the examples related to this phonogram, then we will start our today's lesson. Okay my dear students, these are the words you can see having word phonogram on board. Let's start reading the words first of all and then we will guess the sound number. Okay, let's start reading with me. Work, work, warm, warm, worst, worst, world, world. Okay students, so first of all we will underline the phonogram. Okay, it's word in all the words and then we will write sound numbers. Okay, in this way you will underline the phonogram in paper. It's 3-lettered phonogram. Okay, it's 3-lettered word, it's 3-lettered word, work. Okay, so how many sounds does this phonogram have? Very good, it has only one sound, so we will write sound number 1. In this way we will solve the question related to sound number in paper also. Okay students, now let's move forward towards IPR 2 reading. Okay my dear students, now let's start reading from IPR 2. It's page number 52 and look at the phonogram. Were as in warm. Let's start reading. I saw worm on the floor. I saw worm on the floor. Look at the picture. Worm, worm, small insect. Okay, small insect. Clear? Next one. This is a big word. This is a big word. Look at the word. It's run. ठीक है, आपको एक big word लिखा नजर आ रहा है यहाँ पे. It's word, word. Clear? Next one. Don't worry about this work. Don't worry about this work. Look at the picture. Some of the people feel shy doing this work. So there is a lesson. Don't worry about this work. हमें इस तरह के काम में शर्म महसूस नहीं करनी चाहिए. हम कोई भी काम जो हार्ड वर्क करके करते हैं, मेहनत करके करते हैं, सब काम अच्छे होते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, डोंट वरी अबाउट दिस वर्क. Is it clear? You will read the given sentences 5 times and you will check the sound number. As you can see, the phonogram is written in red color, so it means sound number 1. Next one, look at the picture. I felt worse today. I felt worse today. Worse mean feeling bad. Mean I am feeling not well today. I am feeling bad today. I felt worse today. Worse mean bad. Is it okay? Next one. A jet can fly around the world. A jet can fly around the world. Okay. Look at the picture. It's a jet. Okay. A jet can fly around the world. World means dunya. Is it okay? Students, we will read the given sentences 5 times. Plus, we will try to guess the sound number. As you know, were as in warm is written with red color. So, it means sound number 1. Clear, students? Now, let's move forward towards worksheet. Okay, dear prep 6 students, mark to today's date here, and it's a worksheet for the phonogram were. Okay, let's start reading the words given in the box. Then we will continue the next activities. It's world, world, dunya, you know, world. Next one, work, work. They are doing work. Okay, there are 2 people who are doing work. Next one, words, words. Okay, so you will read the given words 5 times. Now let's move forward towards next activity. Exercise A. Insert the missing phonogram to make meaningful words. Insert the missing phonogram to make meaningful words. Okay, students, now the phonogram which we are reading is given. Okay, जो phonogram हम कर रहे हैं वो तो यहाँ पे given है. were. आपने कोई और phonograms यहाँ पे लगा के, suitable phonograms लगा के, you have to make the meaningful and complete words. Okay, now look at this. Can you make a word from here? Yes, if we will put so it will be world. Warm. Work. Worship. Okay, students, so let's solve this activity. Okay, dear students, we will solve the activity in this way. Now come towards activity B. What we are going to do in this activity? It's another interesting activity that we are going to do. It's match and write the word words. Match and write the word words. Let's start reading. World, world, worship, worship, worker, worker, warm, warm, worst, worst, word, word. Okay, students, now we will do matching with the similar words and then we will rewrite here. Let's solve this activity now, and this activity is to improve your writing, so your writing should be neat and clean. Okay, students. Okay, dear prep 6 students, we will solve this activity in this way and your writing should be neat and clean. Now look at the words given at the last. Worst. Worst mean very bad. Okay, means I am feeling worse today. I am feeling very bad today. Next one, worker. Worker. Look at the picture. Worship. Worship mean ibadat karna. Worship. And the last one, warm. Warm. Okay, students, in this way you will solve the worksheet. It's page number 53 and you will read the sentences from page number 52 5 times, plus you will solve the worksheet. We will meet in next lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.